Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of amulets, those ancient, powerful objects that carry spiritual significance, protection, and personal energy. Whether you're new to the concept of amulets or you're looking to make your very own, I've got you covered. So, let's get into what amulets are and why they are so powerful, and of course, how can you create one that aligns with your energy and intentions. Ready to get mystical? Come on, let's go. So, first things first, what exactly is an amulet? Simply put, an amulet is an object believed to hold magical powers of protection, good fortune, or other specific energies. Think of it as a vessel for your intentions or a guardian that keeps negativity at bay. Cultures around the world have used amulets for thousands of years, from the ancient Egyptians to modern spiritual practitioners. These objects can be anything: a crystal, a piece of metal, a carved stone, or even a written symbol. They're all about tapping into energy and harnessing it for a particular purpose. Amulets can serve a range of purposes. Let's go over a few popular ones and the energies they carry. First, protection amulets. They are made to shield the wearer from harm, negative energy, and spiritual attacks. Popular materials include black tourmaline or obsidian crystals, as they are known for their protective qualities. The next one is the love amulet. Seeking to attract love or deepen relationships, rose quartz, a pink crystal, is often chosen for this purpose. Its energy is gentle, compassionate, and open hearted. Now, the next one is wealth amulets. For those on a journey towards abundance, citrine or green aventurine are popular stones, believed to bring prosperity and success. Now, the next one is the spiritual growth amulets. It's for people who want to grow spiritually. Amethyst and labradorite are great for enhancing intuition, spirituality, and personal growth. Remember, the key here is aligning your intention with the material or symbol. The power of an amulet comes from your purpose and belief in it. Now let's get to the fun part, creating your own spiritual amulet. You don't need any fancy tools or expensive materials to make an amulet. I'm going to show you a simple way to make an amulet that carries your unique energy and intention. So, this is what you need: a small crystal or a small object that resonates with your intention, a piece of wire, a string, thread, even a small pouch if you are making a herbal amulet. Now, the options here which you can have are herbs, magical oils, or symbols associated with your intention. And finally, a quiet space for focusing your energy. The first step is to set a clear intention. This is the most important part of creating an amulet. Hold your chosen object in your hands, close your eyes, and really feel what you want this amulet to bring you. Is it protection? Is it peace? Is it love? Visualize yourself surrounded by this energy, feeling safe, joyful, or abundant. This step is all about infusing the amulet with your specific energy. Now that you've set your intention, it's time to assemble the amulet. Take your crystal or object and wrap it in wire or place it in a small pouch with herbs that align with your intention. For example, rosemary is very good for protection, and lavender is good for peace. Rose is good for love. You can also anoint the oil with magical oils such as protection oil for spiritual protection or love oil for love. A little goes a long way. Just a tiny drop on the object will seal your intention. To finish, let's charge the amulet. Charging amplifies its energy and seals in your intention. There are many ways to do this. You can leave it in the sunlight for a few hours to absorb pure, radiant energy, or place it under the moonlight if you're looking for more spiritual and intuitive energy. Fire is another method. Just pass the amulet through the flame a few times with care, of course. Now that your amulet is ready, carry it with you, wear it, or keep it in a special place. Treat it with respect, and it's a vessel of your energy. Some like to cleanse their amulets every month, especially if they are meant for protection. You can cleanse it in salt water with sage or simply by leaving it under the moonlight. And there you have it, your very own spiritual amulet. Remember, the power of an amulet is not in the object itself, but in your energy and intention. With the right mindset, your amulet can be a powerful tool for transformation, protection, and manifestation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're trying to make your own amulet, let me know how it goes in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any more future mystical content. Until next time, keep shining your light and following your path. Thank you so much for watching.